Unstructured data such as documents, videos, photos, engineering project files and email represents up to 90% of new enterprise data created today. Not only is the amount of file data growing rapidly, but it is a richer set of data than ever before, resulting in an estimated 3x growth rate when compared with structured data. The need to share, distribute, and protect this data is creating what seems like a never-ending storage sprawl throughout the organization. While this explosive growth impacts the entire organization, it specifically increases storage capacity demands at edge locations, where end users and latency-sensitive applications require the highest possible read-write performance. Adding additional storage seems like an easy solution, but in some cases, the cost and complexity of expanding and managing more storage drives organizations to seek alternative solutions that optimize capacity utilization while maintaining fast local access to drive productivity. Fortunately, there is a solution to this dilemma. Dynamic Storage Utilization, or DSU, is a new capability of PeerGFS, or Peer Global File Service version 5, which is now available from Peer Software, an organization with over 25 years of experience dedicated to creating best-of-breed solutions that help multi-site organizations manage business-critical data across their IT enterprise. Dynamic Storage Utilization allows you to optimize unstructured data footprints on edge storage devices, where only a small subset of files are used on a frequent basis. Files that are used less frequently are replaced with stub files on the edge storage device so that it appears to have a complete set of files, but the stubbed files use very little storage space. When a user accesses a stub file, DSU retrieves the full version of the file from a master storage device. The benefit of using DSU is that it allows you to efficiently utilize storage capacity while preserving fast access to files that are used most often. DSU offers flexible edge storage management with the following key features. The ability to specify a dedicated amount or percentage of available storage to be used on the edge storage device. This is really helpful to the administrator configuring the collaboration or synchronization job. He can simply say that his edge locations can use up to, for example, 75% of a local volume for edge caching. On one edge server, that may be 500 gigabytes of files, and on another, 1 terabyte of files of the 2 terabyte master dataset. In the past, we had some customers who said that they wanted to start a collaboration job, but they didn't have sufficient storage at all the edge locations to have all files everywhere, and so we had to wait for them to upgrade. With DSU, this is no longer necessary, and they don't have to wait for an upgrade any longer. Just specify a percentage of a volume for edge caching, and DSU will dynamically fill it with the files and folders that the users at that location care about the most and are actively working with. Dynamic adjustments of the time periods used to determine whether to stub or rehydrate a file, allowing DSU to keep the assigned storage space as full as possible and provide the best experience for the end users. Direct integration with the file collaboration and synchronization job types in PeerGFS. Point-to-point data transfer capability between one edge and one or more masters. The flexibility to mix and match master and edge roles across different jobs. The ability to pin files or folders to always be local or always be stubbed on the edge storage device. Alerting to ensure you stay ahead of potential storage capacity limits. To summarize, the new Dynamic Storage Utilization feature in PeerGFS version 5 means that you can use Windows file servers to reduce the storage footprint required at edge locations whilst keeping files synchronized across your entire business. There may be an instance where a remote office only really needs those files that they are actively working on to be local, and when those files haven't been used for a while, they can be stubbed with a full copy maintained on the master server or servers. Let the users see the full dataset and have access to any file, but only keep the files that they are actively working on locally and close to them. It may not be cost efficient to keep every file at every location.